Hi, I'm Andrea, skipper on board this yacht.
And I'm Matea, the hostess on board this yacht. We are your Private Yacht Tour team, and we are here to make sure all you need is to relax.
If you book a hostess on your Private Yacht Tour, I'll take care of preparing small meals for breakfast and lunch each day, and make sure your drink is always full. My role also covers food provisioning that the yacht week.
As your skipper, I will take care of safely navigating you to the best spots in Croatia, both the must-see destinations and the local secrets. Guests are welcome to get involved with the sailing if they wish, and also learn about charts and navigation.
We work as a team on board of any of the Sail Croatia yachts and catamarans.